Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ali Cake, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get this simple goth makeup. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my inspo for this look. I got this off of Pinterest, and I'm filming a voiceover because there was a very loud cricket, and I filmed this at night time. So yeah, I'm starting off with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm using the bottom of my eye and starting the wing. I don't want the wing to be upwards, I want it to be sort of straight across. So that is why I started from my bottom of my eye. Okay, so now we're going on to the next side. So now I'm drawing like two little triangles at the bottom of my eye, and I also took the liner and dragged it, along my waterline. And yeah, so we're just making two little triangles. So here I am just adding some of my face powder to my eyelids, just to make it look a little more better. So now I'm going into the Born to Run palette, and I'm using this color, this sparkly white color, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners just to brighten it up a little bit. So the other palette wasn't given sparkly, so I went into the Gymsharks palette and I added some more of the white shimmery color, and it actually made it pop a lot better than before. And here I'm just putting some black eyeliner on my waterline just to darken up my eyes a little bit. So I'm taking my liquid liner and adding some freckles. I like to do this because it just makes you look a little more cuter. So I just added some black freckles all over. And now I'm going back into my black eyeliner, and I'm going to use that as my lip pencil. So this is what I'm doing. I'm making a black lip with my eyeliner and filling it in. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I think it will be a vlog. Bye guys.